Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this session we will see how to define organization structure in SAP MM. So agenda for this session is organization levels, definition of organization levels followed by client, company code, plant, storage location, purchase organization and purchase group. So let's start with organization levels. Suppose you are running a business. Your business might be having different levels. So these levels can be mapped in SAP as follows. So at topmost level you have client. A client can have different company code. These company code can be regarded as a different business unit. After company code you have different plants. A plant can have different storage location. A storage location can have different purchase organization. A purchase organization can have different purchasing group. So let's discuss the definition of these organization levels. So topmost level is client, that is the commercial unit in R3 system. After client you have company code. Company code can be regarded as a business unit. You can have independent accounting statement for that as well as profit loss and balance statement. After company code you have plant. Plant is an organizational unit where all procurement activities take place. After plant you have storage location. Storage location is a place where stock is kept physically and it differentiates between different material stocks in a plant. After storage location you have purchase organization. This is the organization unit which is responsible for procurement activities that are dealing with vendor. Suppose I will give you example for that. Suppose you have 10 purchase organization and they are buying a material from a single vendor. So you can club these requirements and you can map to reference purchase organization, so it will help in better negotiation. After purchase organization you have purchase group. If you are running a business, some activities might be requiring daily like electricity, cleaning. So for these activities you have purchase group. So let's discuss all these topics practically. To create organization structure, you need to go to display IMG page. Enter SPRO in command field. Now select SAP reference IMG. This will navigate you to the display IMG page. Now first organization structure is company. To define company, go to enterprise structure. Now select definition. Now select financial accounting. Now select define company. To make a new entry of your company, click on new entries icon. Here you need to enter your company name, your company's complete address, your language key and your country's currency. So here I am entering test data. After filling your company's detail, click on save. A customizing request pop-up will appear. All changes that are made are saved in request number to keep a track of changes done with your user ID. Also, this customizing request on a later stage helps to move the changes from one system to another. So click OK on this pop-up. Now a new company will be created. Now next organization structure is company code. To define company code, go to enterprise structure. Now definition. Now select financial accounting. And now click on edit copy delete check company code. Now select edit company code data. To make a new entry of your company code, click on new entries icon. Here you need to fill your company code with your company name, with country and currency. So here I am entering test data. Now click on save. A new pop-up will appear. Here you need to fill your company code owner's name along with your address. Now click on OK. Now click on OK on customizing request pop-up. A new company code will be created. Now next organization structure is plant. To create a new plant, go to enterprise structure, select definition, now select logistic general, now click on define copy delete check plant, now click on define plant, to create a new plant click on new entries icon. Here you need to fill your plant name. So here I am entering test data. Now click on save. A new pop-up will appear. Here you need to fill your complete plant's detail with the address and the owner of plant. Now click on OK on the customizing request pop-up. So a new plant will be created. Now next organization structure is storage location. To define storage location, go to enterprise structure, select definition. Now select materials management. Now click on maintain storage location. Enter your plant name. Now click on OK. To make a new entry of your storage location, click on new entries icon. Now enter your storage location and with your description. Now click on save. Click OK on customizing request pop-up. A new storage location is created. Now next organization structure is purchase organization. To create purchase organization, go to the same path, enterprise structure, then definition, then select materials management, then select maintain purchase organization. To make a new entry of purchase organization, click on new entries icon. Here you can enter your purchase organization with your purchase or description. So I am entering test data. Now click on save. Now click OK on customizing request pop-up. A new purchase organization is created. So in this session, we have seen how to create organizational structure like company, company code, plant and storage location. And in next session, we'll learn how to do assignments of these organizational units.